Ducati took its race-proven, 1,198cc Testastretta mill and tuned it for street use with a somewhat gentler power curve. This water-cooled, 90-degree V-twin, called an L-twin by the factory, runs the famous Desmodromic valve train that uses a push-open/pull-close cam arrangement instead of springs, so valve float is a non-issue. The Desmo system used to be rather high maintenance with short service intervals, but nowadays it's right on a par with, and in some cases lower maintenance than, pushrod engines with solid lifters. Massively over square, the lump runs a pair of 106mm by 67.9mm jugs with superbike piston crowns that help shape the combustion chamber and drive the compression ratio up to a hot 12.5:1. Dual spark heads create separate flame fronts to improve efficiency and reduce emissions. MSRP on the 2018 Diavel is $19,195 and comes in dark stealth with a racing black frame. The dark carbon version with the dark exhaust and exclusive wheels will run you $22,395. Ducati covers your Diavel with a 24-month unlimited mileage warranty.